Welcome to today's stream. Let me see. All right. So today is 8th of February. So our last trading session, we had 2 trades, one losing trade and one winning trade. All right. Let's see. I'll be ending the stream at 9:05 today. 9:05. All right. Okay, let's do some analysis first. So we have this sell side, buy side liquidity over here, not yet taken. So let me do all this. Alright. Liquidity taken and we push up. We've grabbed liquidity over here before pushing up. So right now we see this impulse. Okay, this is probably Proel's news. So we failed to break this higher. We created sell side liquidity over here. This was taken, and we have a minor break of structure to the downside. All right, and now price is building sell side liquidity. So this is a point of interest, but this is already mitigated. So if I want to look for a short, I will want to see this high is getting broken. I mean, take liquidity above this highs before I look for a short into this area. Alright, so that is all for the higher time frame. So coming into a lower time frame, you can see it's sort of distribution over here with an upthrust, break and a retest, and price pushed lower. So this is a tested distribution over here. So if price wants to go lower, we should see a reaction over here. But the impulse for this move is quite huge, and we have an opposing order block over here. Right, so this is unmitigated. So we jump into a lower time frame. Let's see what do we have. All right, we have sell side liquidity, which was not yet taken. So price created equal highs over here. Okay. We took the lows over here, but unable to push higher, and we have volume decreasing on the up move. So let's see what price action do we have now. So on this time frame, we have like this. Before that, let me check if there are any news today. Nope, no news. Okay. Let me see. Okay. Right. Five. Let me check something. I forgot which account. 50K. Okay. Okay. All right. So right here we first has taken the liquidity from up here, and we have broken market structure to the downside. But unfortunately, volume seems to be decreasing, and I'll wait for the second confirmation when price returns to this order block. All right. So let's see if we get any confirmation from here. If price gives our confirmation, then first target will be this order block right here. So the first target will be this area, and the second one this. Reason being, price could reverse from this order block over here without even going down. Right? Okay. Okay, looks like we are breaking lower with increasing volume. Hmm, this looks like a decent shot from here, but let's see. Okay, I guess price went off without us. So so the reason why I want to take this trade is because volume increases as we break structure to the downside. So this is a confirmation for a short, but because there are imbalance over here, which is why I my stop loss is at least covered this highs over here. So of course the entry should be this order block over here, but because I want my first target to be at least 1R, which is why, alright, so the first target has been met and price is continuing lower. Hey Gacho, what's up? Right, so if all plays well, this will be the target for this down move, which we analyzed a few minutes ago. Right. Okay. Price seems to be resting over here right now. We have equal lows. So what price could do is to mitigate this order block over here. All right, see, mm, this is called magic. So unfortunately, I'm not taking this trade because price is actually mitigating this unmitigated area, and there is possibility that price goes higher. So I I wanted to wait for a second confirmation over here, but as you can see, when we broke this level, volume wasn't that high. So unfortunately, we lost. I mean, we missed this entire move down from the top over here, right? But as always, patience is very important in trading. If we miss this trade, yeah. Okay, this is kind of solid order block over here. So if price comes back right now, we will wait for a second confirmation because this, I mean, not this, but this area is an unmitigated area. So what price could do after tapping into this order block is a retracement and go higher. So this is the first scenario. The second scenario is of course price after mitigating this area go straight down, right? So you can see here. Imagine if price taps into us just now, it will be 7R in profit, right? So let's see what the price wants to do from now. USD cap. Which time frame are you looking at? Are you trading swing trading, position trading, or scalping? Okay, we have a first change in character over here, right? So this is the turning climax to the automatic rally. So we have a secondary test over here, and what is interesting to see, we have decreasing volume on the down move. So we want for a long is to break this structure. Okay, you can see liquidity was grabbed. Okay, sort of have increase in volume. Okay, let me see. Okay, if we take a long over here, the first target will be this area. Okay, I mean, I'll take a shot. I mean, long from here. Let's see how it goes. I could be early because if this is just a secondary test, then we could still have a spring before going up. So this could probably be a fake out. So we get a spring over here and a test above. Right, let's see. Gacho, give me a moment. Let me wait for this trade to play out first. Okay, price is moving. But what I don't like is we do not have any interest from buyers over here. So this could still be a losing trade. But anything can happen in trading. So let's see. I'll be taking 50% off here if price comes up, right? Target. First target is here. Second should be around this area. Okay, we have sell side liquidity being built and buy side liquidity. Okay, on this break, I want to see high volume, but unfortunately, volume is very low. So what we can see could be slowly creeping up to this target, or price goes down from here to create the spring that we said just now, right? So after that, we could see a potential accumulation being completed. Let's see. So I think this should be playing out. Let's see. Hmm, okay, we have high volume picking up over here. Price is unable to push higher. Okay, the second scenario might be playing out soon. Let's see what the volume is telling us. Okay, this is a slow rally. Okay, prices reaching the first TP. 3. Okay. Alright. I've closed half my position over here. So stop loss is at break right now. Okay. So the first position we have 50% at 1.34. Okay. So the next target should be around here, where we have the high time frame order block. My trading day is lagging. Yep. So it's very near the distribution on the lower time frame. Yep. All right. Nacho. Let's see your USD CAD. Okay, USD CAD. 30 minutes. Okay, let's see. Okay, we have equalos here. Okay, liquidity was taken, and we are on an uptrend. Okay, so we do have quite a lot of liquidity over here. So they could be taken. And right now we are on the there's a should be a news. Right. So let me see the volume profile. Okay, we have consolidation here and we broke lower. Let me see the lower time frame. Okay, we have a distribution over here which was broken over here. Right, and once we broke here, we see volume picking up but unable to push higher, and we created this backup over here, and price has recently mitigated this backup, right? And we have a slight reaction, but unfortunately we took some liquidity. So what I'm expecting is a further mitigation of this backup, and probably okay. So basically this liquidity was taken, so we could see a deeper mitigation of this backup. So I would look for confirmation if to go short if we take out this highs. But the overall bias for this pair is yes to go lower. Yep, so that's for USD CAD Gacho. Yep. Okay. Okay. I'm in a GJ trade since London. Yeah, no worries, Gacho. Okay. So I'm in this trade. So the reason why I took this trade was price is of course is on an uptrend. We created relatively equal highs over here, and volume was increasing on the break. So I took this the trade over here based on this order block. So the first target for this trade is to mitigate this order block, this bullish order block. All right, but technically the first target should be this equal highs, yeah, because what price could do is oh and okay take out this equal highs and go lower from here, because on the higher time frame we are on a downtrend, right? So this is sort of counter trend. But let's see how, because the risk to reward ratio for this targeting this trade isn't that good. Yeah. Okay, let's see my trade. Okay, it's running nicely. JP keys. Give me a while. Yeah. Okay. Okay, we almost hit the target. Damn it. Chef closed some position over there. I'm gonna close 25% over here. Okay, I just closed 25% here. Okay, 3.14. Okay, so right now I'll trail my stop loss to this local lows over here. The problem with using TradingView and my MetaTrader is the feeds are different. Yeah. So it's a headache for me to actually see where the exact pricing is. Okay, somewhere around here. Okay. So right now this trade is in profit. So if price takes me out over here, I'll still be in profit. So the next target I'm looking to close more position is this order block within the higher time frame distribution, right? So let's set an alarm. Okay, I guess I'll set this too. So if price taps us, then we know it's game over. Anyone took this trade with me? If you are, let us know, because this is a quite a sweet profit over here, and it only took 15 minutes. Yeah. Okay, JPKs, USD JPY. Oops, should have used this. Okay. USD JPY. JP keys. Are you? What kind of trade are you looking at? Scalp, day trading, position trade, swing trading, or what? What time frame are you looking at? Day trade. So probably are you looking at 15 one minute, 15 minute. Let's do it 15 minute. Yeah. Okay. We have equal highs over here, and okay, we have this trend line. Whoa, that's a big impulse. All right. Okay. So we have this unmitigated area. Liquidity pool to be taken. Okay. So we are on a downtrend. Okay. So price is working around. Okay, there's a liquidity grab over here. Okay. So price, let me see on a lower time frame. Okay. Yeah, actually building both sell side and okay. This was taken. Okay. Is it stop loss? Okay. So this trade was out at 1.86. Oh yeah, let me do some calculation. Okay, this trade is okay. 17 minutes, 35 seconds. Not that bad. Okay. Whoever took this trade, awesome. Okay, sorry, JP keys. Okay, liquidity taken. We so the problem with this pair right now is it is attacking all the buy side and sell side liquidity. Yeah, so it's kind of consolidating. So because I'm not sure whether you understand, because we have this equal lows. Sell side liquidity being built on the higher time frame. Also, we have equal highs over here. So, what I'm more inclined to is actually for price to take out this lows and wait for a confirmation for a long. So the first target should be this area and potentially to take out this equal highs. Yep, so that's my expectation. But of course, price could actually go higher from here without taking any liquidity, because on a lower time frame we do have price actually taking liquidity over here. Yeah. So right now price is going higher, so this could potentially be play out. Yes. Okay, so similar for my GJ, it's hitting my first target. Right. Yeah, no problem. Okay, let's get back to trading. We have around 20 minutes. Hope we can get another scalp. Yes. I think my trading view is lagging. Okay. Let's delete all these unwanted areas. So price bounced off this higher time frame order block, right? And we tested this refined order block and produced this up move. So the next target for the price is should be this POI over here. So I will be waiting for a long if price taps into this order block. Right. We have all this impulse. Okay. There's this imbalance over here. So price could tap the 50% level and go lower. So this is the target I'm looking for on this down move. Hey man, how are you? I'm actually streaming on various channels. Yeah. Streaming on Discord, TradingView, YouTube, and Twitch. Yeah, just to get some exposure. I mean, are you in any trade? Right. Cool, cool. Hmm. Hmm. I'm actually deciding to buy pre-order the new Hogwarts game, but I'm scared it's a black hole. You know, you get addicted to games and you spend times and hours playing games. I'd rather be on the charts. Okay, price is consolidating right now. Nothing much over here except for this liquidity grab. Okay. And this distribution. Okay. Let's see Where does the price wants to go next? When did I start trading? Actually, I started trading when I was, let me guess, back in uni days when I was 22. Yeah, so I mean, from my beginner era, it was like I was very unprofitable. So basically, I would go in on one single trade without any risk management. So of course, there are times where I made a lot of money, but eventually I'll just get my accounts wiped. Yeah, I mean, a lot of you might have the same experience. I'm sure. I'm sure many of you did. I'm not alone. Yeah. And at what point did I consider myself a profitable trader? Um, when I first get my funded account payout, so it was a 10k account, so it wasn't it wasn't great. So the first payout was around $200, but that's the start of me getting motivated in a sense because it's a first payout and it could be a lucrative a trade in a sense because um, we we trade with percentage over here in forex and crypto and stocks, of course, rather than just trading your time for money in your day job. Of course, right now I'm still having a day job because being an Asian, I am risk adverse, so I would want I would want to have a sizable amount of how to say securities on hand before I actually retire. So right now I'm still trading as a side hustle. Yes, I think the most important thing is risk management because as long as you have as long as you have a skin in the game, then uh, you still have chance to bring your account back to life. I'm for myself. Actually still have a 200k funded account which is going to die soon. So it was I was with the funded trader. So this 200k account actually lasted me for 1 year plus already, but because of my rookie mistakes, so this account has been in a drawdown since 1 year ago. Yeah. So as long as I do not breach the drawdown rule, I'm still in the game. Yeah. Hey Salam, probably along, but I'm not sure. Waiting for a confirmation. Okay, let's update. I'll reply you in a while. So, okay, we have here, and okay. So we have a bounce over here, which turns into a break. So we are probably going lower to take out the liquidity over here. We have volume. Let's see. Volume isn't that great on the down move. So we want to see volume picking up. But over here, we could see a break from here. So if there's a solid break over here, we can wait for confirmation to take out this lows. Um, how much time do I spend on my charts? So in the beginning, when I go YOLO, actually I can't remember. So, but uh, when I've started to take trading seriously, I because I have my day job, right? So every day before I start work, I will spend 1 hour on my chart before I leave for my day job. And after that, when I return home, I'll spend 2 hours and one to 2 hours in front of the chart. So basically to back test. Yeah. So right now, I don't really back test a lot now because my strategy has been working very well. I mean, of course, other than let's rewind a bit. So on the initial days, initial sorry, sorry, give me a moment. Okay, so on the weekends, I'll probably spend around 8 hours on the charts. So that is sort of my working hours. So weekends 2 hour, 8 hours, and weekdays around 2 to 3 hours. Yeah. So right now, I spend around right. See, target has been met. Okay. So right now, I spend 1 hour scalping on Nest, which is right now, and yeah, I try to not spend too much time on the chart. So right now, I'm running two strategy, but these two strategy is applied the same way, just different time frame. So one is the scalp as I'm streaming right now. Then the second one is sort of intraday to swing. So I execute my trade on the 15-minute time frame. Yeah, so this gives me a lot more freedom with my time. Yeah, 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 definitely. Drawdown won't keep me down for sure. Yeah, hope to get out of the drawdown too. Okay, let's update the analysis for now. Okay, at the start of the stream, I mentioned that this this area will be targeted, and price has reached the final target for this evening. We have this down move. So I'm expecting a retracement back up because of this strong impulse. Um, this strong impulse. So from here, two things that can happen. One, price goes higher, or it creates a schematic, a spring retest to go up, right? Unless price tested the 50% of the imbalance. Okay, so somewhere around here. So if price takes filled this fair value gap, then we could see price potentially go lower without getting to the premium level. Belmet. I started with Euro USD. Yeah, so that's the I mean that's the standard pair with a lot of liquidity. So in a sense it's easier to trade. I mean that's for me, yeah. My suggestion is to focus on one pair, know and understand how the pair does and what it does at different time of the session. Yeah, different pairs actually do have their own characteristics. So backtesting them long enough, you will sort of understand how the price will move and why they will move in a certain way. This will definitely give you an edge when you're trading live, because trading live is not only your strategy but also things like risk management and of course your psychology. I think psychology is the most underrated elements of trading, which a lot of people overlooked. Okay, price is playing out very nicely. So unfortunately, we do not have any confirmation for a long. So we will keep our hands together. Keep your hands to yourself and wait. Okay, we are building liquidity. So price could do this. Let's see what the price wants to do. I'll be right back. Let me head to the washroom. Alright, I'm back. Hmm. Price isn't doing anything right now. See my GJ. Okay. First target has been met. I mean, this is not my first take profit, so my first profit is this area. But because price could actually, because we have taken external liquidity over here, so a schematic can happen and confirmation for a short could bring price back down. Okay. Okay, price flowing out nicely, and okay, This is actually a good confirmation, but unfortunately, we are on. I mean, price has tapped into this unmitigated area. So if there is a second confirmation, I could take a shot. So okay, let's see. One point five. Hmm. We have good confirmation, but price seems to be consolidating right now. Okay, because we have this was a good confirmation for a short, but we have this very high volume opposite candle. Okay, 所以 we have grabbed liquidity. Did we? Okay, with liquidity grab over here. Okay, we have. Nope. Final target for this down move is the lows here. We are approaching this area, so we do have this distribution, right? A high volume stopping action, and we have kind of a change in character, but because this leg is actually too long, we do have this 100% retracement. So this actually qualifies for a distribution schematic. Okay, so what will probably happen next is a break with high volume, and price consolidates here to take out this. If we breaks here, but of course price could most probably, I mean, there's still probability of price going higher. All right, see you, bro. See you tomorrow. Okay. GJ, oh beautiful. Okay, GG. Is there news? Nope. Come on, push a little bit higher for my TP1. Okay, well, I guess I'll be ending my stream here. Um, are there any requests for any analysis before I end the stream? Going once, going twice, and gone. Okay, so thanks for joining in today's stream. So I'll see you guys the same time tomorrow. All right, see ya.